The panel is back with us, along with automotive expert Lauren Fix. Lauren, good to see you. I got to ask why you think it is that the stock has been up 50%, despite the fact you have a president who said he's against the kind of subsidies that many people say Tesla's dependent on.
Well, you noticed today when the market closed, it was down over $4 a share. I think the market's starting to be very smart in looking at the fact that when you purchase Solar City, which is at a loss, adding on to his losses, that's not helping. And then on top of this, we believe that Scott Pruitt, the new gentleman in charge of the EPA, he could stop those carbon credits. That's the only way Elon Musk is making any money. So this could really
let me just stop you there. Is it true, Lauren, let me just stop you. Is it true that that's the only way he can make money? Because there are a lot of people that like the cars.
Well, it's not about liking the car or not. It's the fact that you're in business to make money, right?
Right.
So if you're not making money, you can't have a loss and make it up in volume. It just doesn't happen.
Yeah.
And with his statement of 500,000 Model 3s by 2018, not a chance. They only sold 450,000 total market hybrids and EVs this year. You can't take 100% of the market. It's not possible.
Interesting. Kevin, and they're still losing money, as we saw right now. They're losing money more than was expected. Part of this is because of their Solar City incorporation, if you will. This was another Elon Musk company, but they incorporated it into Tesla. It's no longer called Tesla Motor. It's now just called Tesla. Was that a smart move, or when you think of the losses, maybe not?
Well, it's hard to see because it's such a high capital cost embedded into it. But you had alluded to earlier that the stock has had a huge run, up 50% within the last 52 weeks. Well, here's the thing. They're probably going to end up doing another capital raise with the stock at this level. So that's another way to subsidize the business. So he's alluded to that before. But this is really tough, given the fact that they want to use the same production line to do the Model 3. They haven't been able, they've had production issues. So they are going to need to raise more money, unfortunately.
Remember all the years that Amazon was losing money, and we know what happened to them. Adam has been looking more at the numbers. Go ahead, Adam. You got some details.
This is really important. Tesla vehicles in production have the hardware necessary for full self-driving. So in other words, every car that they're producing now going forward is capable, and they say full self-driving. The stock still continues to gain up 1.6%.
Well, Jonathan, that's a plus, right?
Tremendous, David. I mean, yeah, I think your point is spot on. I mean, Amazon has never really made any money. The stock has been gangbusters. I mean, 10,000% plus over the last decade. I believe we're seeing exactly the same thing here with Tesla. I mean, it's valued more than GM now. But you're such a free market guy. I'm surprised, Jonathan. You're so free market oriented. They have relied, at least in part, on government subsidies, have they not? Yeah, David, I mean, sometimes the market surprises us. You know, the oil companies did very well under President Obama, and at least on my screens, a lot of the clean energy companies, look at ETFs like FAN, like PAN, and Tesla. These are actually doing very well right now, much to my surprise.
Okay, we started with negative comments from Lauren. We end with positive comments from Jonathan. Thank you very much. Good to see all of you folks.